Today is the day. We have something super exciting lined up, the big reveal of our new car. You've seen all of the contenders in the last video, you've guessed in the comments, and today is the day we're finally going to be revealing it. Now, we have a few reasons for the car that we just bought. As you can see, this is what the Honda S2000 looks like. This car is amazing and I have an absolute blast driving it, but there's no way I'm driving this thing in the snow because if I do, I'm probably gonna fly off of a cliff. As for our other car that we own, we have a 2018 Tesla Model 3, which I'm guessing you know this car is electric and can be constraining when I want to do spontaneous adventures with my wife. But it's been one of my most favorite cars I could drive during the winter because it is all-wheel drive and you could start it up from your phone, so by the time I'm done getting ready for work, it is all nice and toasty. But living in the beautiful state of Utah, my wife and I have considered van life. Now, if you don't know what van life is, it is simply where you live in a van. Some of these vans can cost upwards to $200,000 or as little as $4,000 if you're good at building and fixing things. With our lifestyle, unfortunately, this has not been an option for us. With living in Utah, I want to take advantage of all the nature that we have so close to us, so we decided to go with something that is a little bit more in between, can still be adventurous, but is great for a daily driver. So with that being said, I'm going to take you to a proper place to reveal it. This is the perfect place to do this reveal. As you can see, it's been dumping snow here in Utah, so we haven't been able to go to any of the crazy trails or up into the mountains, but after I reveal the car, I'm gonna show you the vision for the entire build of this car. But with that being said, let's get to the reveal of our new car. That's right, we bought this 2021 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport and I absolutely love this thing. It's hard to see, but we've already gotten this thing pretty dirty because we've been having so much fun with this truck. But we're gonna build this thing into that best overland build possible. If you have any suggestions or ideas for this overland build, let me know, but I'm gonna give you the rundown of what I have in my mind. Now, on the back of the truck, I'm gonna get a big rack where we can put a rooftop tent so that we can go camping whenever we want. And then on the side of the rack, we can put those boards so if you get stuck in snow or mud, we can get out of there, and we can put a shovel on the side. I've also seen some really cool lights, which we need to replace these things so it looks so much better. And as for the wheels and the tires, we need to get some way bigger ones and get a better suspension so that we can take this thing off-roading. And up front, we have our regular headlights, but those are obviously not bright enough, and we want to blind everyone on the streets. So we want to put lights there, just anywhere possible. And then I want to replace this front bumper with a metal bumper to make that thing indestructible. I can't wait to build this thing. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.